thank you, Lord, to the spirits above, for the strength, for the light, for the way through the night. Erzulie Dantor, mother strong and true. You gave me protection, your love pulled me through. A warrior's heart, but gentle inside. You stand by my side, you never hide. Erzulie Freda, beauty divine. You gave me love that shines and aligns, attraction and grace, the softness I feel. You open my heart so I can heal. Clermecine lights in your hands. You guide my soul, you help me stand. You bring me peace, you calm my mind. In your glow, my truth I find. You shine through me, you make me see the light I carry inside of me. You heal my heart, you make me whole. You are the light within my soul. Ogou, the warrior fire in my soul. You gave me courage, you made me whole. Strength to stand, strength to fight. You taught me how to claim my right. Agawou, thunder, power and flame. You shook my fears, I'm not the same. You gave me force, you gave me will to rise above and climb every hill. Dambalah, ancient, wise and pure. You gave me knowledge, steady and sure. You guide my spirit, you calm my mind. In your silence, truth I find. Ayizan, keeper of sacred ways. You gave me purity all my days. Initiation, wisdom deep. You guard the secrets that I keep. Agwe, master of the sea. You guide my path, you carry me safe. Travels, abundance flow. Where you lead, I will go. La Sirène, beauty of the deep. You heal my heart, my soul. You keep emotion low. Feminine grace, you hold me in your sacred space. Papa Legba, open the gate. You show me paths, you change my fate. Without you, I cannot begin. You are the key that lets me in. Dantor, strength and fire. Bosou, power lifting higher. Brave and Lenglensou by my side. Papa Loco, spiritual guide. I give thanks, I give praise for your love in all my days. You gave me strength, you gave me light. You walk with me through every fight.